Hello friends, let's crochet together a mini blackberry. We need yarn and jeans, dark blue and green, and the size of my hook is 1.6. First of all, we make a magic loop and then crochet 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A slip stitch in the first loop and 2 chains. Then we make a double crochet, but don't make it till the end. We just crochet 2 loops on the hook. Then we make again a double crochet, but just the first part. Then again in the same loop a double crochet, but just the first part. And one more time. Just the first part. And then we crochet all the loops on the hook. In the next loop we make a single crochet. And we have popcorn. In the next loop we make a double crochet, again just the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then all the loops together. And in the next loop a single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can make 4 or 5 times, as you like, and all the loops together. And in the next loop a single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. All together a single crochet in the next loop. We make a slip stitch in the first loop of the round and 1 chain. In this next round we make 1 increase, 1 single crochet, then again increase, a single crochet, increase, a single one, increase, a single crochet, a slip stitch in the first loop, and we have 12 loops in this round. 2 chains, and we make popcorn again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All together, a single crochet in the next loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. All together, a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All together, a single crochet, and repeat till the end of the round. In the next round, we make 4 increases. 1 single crochet, another one in the next loop, and increase in the third loop. 1, 2, increase. 1, 2, increase. 1, 2, increase. And we have 16 loops in this round. Two chains, and we make popcorn again. 1, 2, 3, 4. All together, a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All together, a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, a single crochet, and continue till the end of the round. And now it's time to add fiber fill, and in the next round we make 8 decreases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A slip stitch in the first loop, a chain, leave the long end of the thread, take a needle and close the hole for the front loops of the last round. And fix the thread between the stitches. And hide the thread inside the toy. And now let's make a green part. Make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch and 1, 2, 3 chains. Then we make a slip stitch and a single crochet, a slip stitch in the next loop of the round, 1, 2, 3 chains, then a slip stitch, a single crochet, a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, a slip stitch, a single crochet, a slip stitch, and continue till the end of the round. In the end of the round we make a slip stitch and pull the thread to the back side. A chain and leave the long thread. In the middle, pull the thread to the front side. Make a first chain and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we make slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, a chain in the middle and pull the thread to the back side. And our green part is ready. Now we can sew it to the blackberry. And our cute little blackberry is ready. By the way, you can make a strawberry in the same way. And there are many patterns of fruits and vegetables on my channel. I will write the link in the description to this video. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.